Good morning. Well, I've got something very special today. Welcome to Warnham Nature Reserve. I can't believe that I live just down the road from here, 12 miles, half an hour in the car, and I've never been here, which means that you've never been here as well. I'm looking forward to this. There's lots of different varieties of birds, there's a lake, there's loads. So let's go and see what we can find at the Warnham Nature Reserve here in Horsham. Autumn is still a little bit late coming at the moment. The leaves on the trees are beginning to change, but they're not there yet. And apparently this place has just finished some refurbishments and it's going to be fully open this coming Monday, so I'm definitely going to return here. But the sunshine is in and out of the clouds, which is lovely. There's a lovely little footpath here. Let's go down here and have a look, shall we? I like the dapples of the sunlight on the pathway. A few autumn leaves. But this it's about 95 acres, I think. It might be larger. And I think they've got some bird hides here, so I brought the zoom lens with the camera just in case we can zoom in on some of the different varieties of wildlife. But it's a lovely morning. It's been quite warm actually all week. Temperature has been unseasonably high, but today excuse me, today it's about 13 degrees, so it's roughly normal for the time of year. We've got a bird hide here. This is a magpie. They're very common here. They're a pretty bird, but what you call an opportunist. They'll grab anything they can. So he's got his eye on those nuts. He's having a good look up there. The bird I've seen this morning is a nuthatch. There he is. Just a quick glimpse. He'll come back again in a minute. I do get the nuthatch in my garden, but they're quite rare. You see those balls of meat? That's suet. And that suet meat gives the birds a lot of energy. And with the approaching winter, that's what the birds want. They need that for fattening up, make themselves stronger, ready for the colder months. Oh look, two finches. They're lovely. Beautiful birds. Look at the colours of that. Again, where I live we get finches, but don't see them very often. Not quite sure what that one is. But that's another finch. Oh, 4 of them, look at that. Oh, that's wonderful. That's beautiful. They're all feeding up before the winter. Oh, that's terrific. They're lovely, lovely colours. So you got the yellow finch up there. And this one, the colours are beautiful. They're really, really nice. They seem to be quite calm at the moment. And this is delightful. So pretty. I think there's 5 altogether on that feet. Yeah, there's 5. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. That's a squirrel. Well, that's the end of the day at the Warnham Local Nature Reserve here in Horsham. First day here, first time. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's a lovely place and I've just become a member, so I'd like to come back here to make some more. There's a lot of varieties of birds and about 4 or 5 of these different hides. And the weather today has been good, sunny, so yeah, it's been a very interesting day. Just so close to where I live, unbelievable. So I hope you enjoyed the video anyway, and some of the wildlife that's here, and I'm going to catch you again soon. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button. Any new notifications will be coming up if you press the bell, and there's a lovely wildlife day out. I hope you enjoyed it. So, from Clive at Warnham, bye bye. I'll catch you again soon. Thanks.